Here the question number 7. The acceleration of a cart started at t is equal to 0 varies with time as shown in the figure. Find the distance traveled in 30 seconds and draw the position time graph. To answer this one, observe the diagram first. In this diagram, on the x-axis, time is given. On the y-axis, acceleration units feet per second square. Here, the position origin is O. Maximum acceleration 5 feet per second square. Minimum acceleration minus 5 feet per second square. So, observe this one, and first of all, which one we want to calculate? That is, distance traveled in 30 seconds. Means from 0 to 30 seconds. It's not directly we will calculate. How we will calculate? Distance traveled from 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and 20 to 30. After calculating all the distances, adding of all the distances, finally we will draw the position time graph, position feet, and here time in seconds. Time in seconds. Now we are entering to solve the problem. First, distance from t is equal to 0 seconds to t is equal to 10 seconds. Means what is the time here? 10 minus 0 is equal to 10 seconds time. But here, what is the initial velocity in this case? That is 0, starting from rest. Then afterwards, what happens in this case? Then here, acceleration. What is the acceleration here? 0 to 10, 5 feet per second square. Here, 5 feet per second square. Now I want to calculate the distance from 0 to 10. I will take the distance as S1 is equal to ut plus half at square is equal to u0 already we know, time t plus half into 5 into 10 into 10. So here 2, 5. 5 into 5, 25 into 10, 250 feet. That is the distance. Now here I want to calculate distance from t is equal to 10 seconds to t is equal to 20 seconds. From 10 to 20 distance. So if I want to calculate the distance from 10 to 20, first of all I will take time t is equal to 20 minus 10 is equal to 10 seconds. The time interval between 10 and 20 is 10 seconds. So in this one, we want to calculate the velocity. In which velocity is traveling from here to here. So that we will calculate. So here what is the velocity in this case? V is equal to u plus at. Here remember, velocity at 10 seconds I will take. Why? Because velocity at 10 seconds is equal to velocity at 20 seconds. Why? Because that body or the particle traveling from 10 to 20 seconds with uniform velocity. So that's why whatever the velocity which is having at 10, same velocity having at 20. So due to this, change in velocity becomes 0, then acceleration is also 0 in this case. So here velocity, initial velocity is 0 plus acceleration is 5 into 10 is equal to 50 feet per second. This is the velocity which travels from 10 to 20. So there change in velocity what happens? 0. Change in velocity 0 means what about acceleration? 0. So that means what is the distance here? That is S2 is equal to V into T. That is the formula. So here what about V here? 50 into time how much? 10. So what is the answer here? 500 feet. This is the distance traveled from 10 to 20. Now I want to calculate distance from 20 to 30. So here distance from t is equal to 20 seconds to t is equal to 30 seconds. but here t is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 10 seconds. Again time that one. But here what about the initial velocity? That is, whatever the velocity at this particular point, that is 20. Same velocity which is traveling from 20 to 30. So here u is equal to, what is the velocity here? 50 feet per seconds. Now here, what is the acceleration here? Minus 5 feet per second square. Now I want to calculate the distance. So how we will calculate the distance here? S3 is equal to ut plus half a t square. So here u, initial velocity how much here? 50. Into time how much? Again 10. Plus half into acceleration minus 5 into 10 into 10. So is equal to here 500 minus 250 feet. So here how much we are getting? 250 feet. That is the distance we are getting from 20 to 30 seconds. Now here I want to calculate total distance. So that is total distance from t is equal to 0 seconds to t is equal to 30 seconds. So here total distance represented by means of s is equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3. So is equal to, first distance how much? 250 feet, plus second distance how much here? 500 feet, plus third distance again 200 feet. So addition of that 1000 feet is the total distance traveled from 0 to 30 seconds. Now I want to draw the position time graph. So here to draw the position time graph, first at 10 seconds, what is the distance here? 250 feet. So 20 seconds, that means 10 plus 10, 20. So here we are getting 750. So 30 means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. So that means here final 1000. So from 10 at 10 to 50. So that means here there is a point. Here 20, 750. Here there is a point. From 30 to 1000. Here there is a point. If you are drawing the graph, position time graph, it is represented like a straight line. So this is the position time graph for this acceleration time graph, and distance traveled by the body from t is equal to 0 seconds to 30 seconds. This is the solution for question number 7.